Hi, I'm AK and welcome to Artistic K-pop, where I post videos related to K-pop news and K-pop updates. And without further ado, let's move on to the video. Recently, SM Entertainment announced that they will be launching a competition program in collaboration with MGM Television Group to form another unit under NCT. They also said that this competition program is to scout young American men to form US-based NCT unit. To be more precise, the new boy group NCT Hollywood. So SM Entertainment is launching new survival program for NCT Hollywood. But the question is how the netizens are reacting to the news of this new unit. First of all, many netizens think the name NCT Hollywood is too cringy. On that note, some Indian fans also commented, if SM Entertainment ever decided to launch NCT unit in India, then what will be its name? Will it be NCT Bollywood, NCT Collywood or NCT Tollywood? Or will it be called NCT Bhojpuri? Well, who knows? On that note, netizens think SM Entertainment probably should consider changing the name to something like NCT H for Hollywood. Second thing netizens are worried about is the point that the report says this competition is for American men. By these wordings, many netizens think this group will be formed of all white men. But on that note, here's my personal point. America is diverse with all kinds of races like African American, Asian American and lot of Indians also live in America. Also, when last time all-white K-pop group that is girl group Kachi was formed, it got lot of backlash even though they had one Korean member. And some people even started to question if Kachi can be even called K-pop. So I personally think SM Entertainment won't take that risk and will form a group with members which are Asian Americans. Or maybe not, we will have to see what will happen in the near future. And for the third point on why netizens are not happy about this new unit is because of the existing NCT members. Fans are worried about SM Entertainment promoting these new members more and forgetting about the existing members who are still not that popular yet and could not get to show their full potential as an artist, like the new members Sungchan and Shotaro who are yet to be included in any unit group. And for the fourth point, netizens think SM Entertainment should not use the brand name NCT to form a new group. They should debut a group with completely different name. These netizens think by using the same brand name NCT, which has already gotten lot of popularity, SM Entertainment is neglecting existing NCT members and is just using the name NCT to promote the new members. On that note, there is one more point you should note is that NCT Hollywood is not the only unit SM Entertainment is planning to debut under NCT brand. Previously, during a conference, SM Entertainment also talked about debuting two more groups in Asia, that is NCT Japan and NCT Thailand. But at this point, we don't know whether these two groups will be formed of existing members of NCT or the new members will be added. But for now, one thing we are sure about is that NCT Hollywood is coming and get ready for their debut. And that is all for this video. Tell me your thoughts on this matter in the comment section below and please care to subscribe to my channel for more updates and also click on bell icon for all notifications.